There was stalls down below with hay stored above. Then in modern times there was shearing in there and sending the sheep through. Hay store there.
And is this a mill race behind you then?
Amazing, that's going to change things. But I was just going to wander around the back. Do a very gentle loop round to our new composting shed, through the polytunnel and back along the drover's track. I've got these special tree guards from the Woodland Trust, which are called cactus guards. Also, TyfiDyfi has just bought me a flail mower to go behind my quad bike, which means I can do a second cut on the bracken. An old-fashioned composting recipe, bracken and sheep's wool, which we have in abundance. So we're going to do some experiments here to see if we can come up with a good recipe of bracken sheep wool compost.
If you can find a use for it, that's even better.
Exactly. Let's monetize bracken.
Yes, exactly. That'd be great if it worked.
It's about increasing the number of people involved in growing.
We've been organic for 30 years.
Oh yeah. What do you grow?
I've got just under an acre of garden, so it's just veg for the family and flowers and
And actually you've got a loaf in your bag.
Oh, how nice.
Which is from Dyfi Valley grown
Oh, how fun.
wheat. It's also this lovely example of us working collaboratively, because we're not big enough on our own, so we find routes to market in other ways. Being on a smaller scale, we don't really feature much in the granting system.
So we want, is there a way by treating it as a community supported agriculture trust here?
Well, you know, if you're good at it.
Thank you so much, everyone.